In this video I will show you how can you use your Facebook marketplace. You can see here from here how can you buy and sell a product in your Facebook marketplace. So it's a very easy process. In this video I will show the process. So for buying and selling in your Facebook marketplace, you have to simply come here on your Facebook. After come here in your Facebook, you can see here top here your marketplace option. If you cannot find here, you have to simply click here menu bar, and then you can see here your marketplace. If you cannot find, you have to click here see more, and then you can see here marketplace. After clicking here marketplace, you can see here some product around you. You can see here location. You can click here location, and you click here edit. After clicking here edit, you can apply your location. You can see here I have to click here allow, and then turn on, and then you can customize. Then you can see here a 0.6 meter around me the product someone selling. I can see here. You can see here. If you want to buy one of them, simply you have to click on the product, and then you can see here send message. You can see here if you click here send, the message will be arrived, and then you can contact with the person. And this is the process for buying something. If you want to sell something in your Facebook marketplace, then you can see here an option called sale. You have to simply click here sale. After clicking here sale, you have to simply click here which item you want to simply sell. So I want to sell items, then you have to simply click here. After clicking here, you have to simply add here a photo. After adding the product photo, you have to simply click here title. You have to give here title, and then price. Then you have to click here category, and then you can see here hide from friend. If you want to hide from friend, you can click here, and then you can see here publish option. After clicking publish, your product will be published to the Facebook marketplace. So this is today's video. If you have any question, you can ask me in my comment box. Thank you so much for watching the video till the end.